Okay, today we're going to unbox these Govee curtain lights. This is for the 2-pack of curtain lights, and I'm so excited because it is so cool. I have been saving up to get this for a while, and I can't wait to use it for the holidays. But I do want to put one up in my office, so we will see how that goes. Here we go. We got a box cutter. Isn't it open? Let's see how this is. All right, we have a user manual. We have, ooh, a little postcard. It's cool. It's nice. Nice touch. And then we have, I don't know. I think this is the syncing system, how to, and then this is their app, a QR code for their app. All right, so I guess these are the 2 curtain lights. Let's see what they look like. All right, this is the box. And then, oh, nice. Whoa. All right, so they're all wrapped up. And I don't know what this is. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I wonder. These white pieces are where all the strands hang off of. So it looks like there's quite a bit. And then we have the controller to turn off and on. Right, so I'm so excited about this. And then these are the accessories. So this is the other one. I'll open it up. All right, I won't take it out because it looks the same, but I just wanted to show you there are 2 in this package. And then these are all of the accessories. I'll put this down so we could see. And this down as well. I can't wait to set it up and see how it looks. All right, just a sip of coffee. All right, here we go. So this is some hooks. That's what it is. These look like you could like hook them to the wall with these. And then some more. So there's 2 packages of these hooks. Let me take that out of your way. And we'll see what they're for. And then let's see what else we have. Oh, a screwdriver. They give you tools. I poked myself. All right, let's see where we go. And then these are the blocks. Oh, so these are huge. These are the wall warts, sometimes they call them, wall warts. The blocks that you plug into. So where's the, all right. And then I'll take you guys over to my desk. I'm gonna, oh, so this looks cool. Looks like it might be, oh shoot, did I put that in? That goes in. So just be careful when you put them in. It does have a specific way to go in. And then you twist it on. And then we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to plug it in so that we can see what the lights look like. You can come over to my desk, because I don't think I have an outlet over here that I can show you. Okay, here we are at my desk. I'm going to plug it in and we can see what the lights look like. Even though they're not hanging up, we can see how bright they are. And okay, ooh, here they are plugged in. Wow, looks really cool. Oh my God, I can't wait to hang these up. They look so awesome. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Awesome. Okay, cool. So far so good. I'm pretty pleased. Now these wires, like typically with fairy lights, I just get like the skinny wires, but these are pretty sturdy. Looks like silicone coating the wires, and some sort of plastic material, some sort of material that's protecting the wires, and they're very flexible. So this is nice. I can't wait to hang them up. So far I would, whoa, look at those colors. So far I would definitely recommend. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.